I am practicing English, how to speak in English fluently and clearly with a very easy language. But the problem is that whenever I start speaking in English, you know what happened? I am getting excited, and while I am getting excited, because of that, I am forgetting my words, my vocabularies. That is a very big problem. I know people sometimes they couldn't understand why they are forgetting their words, why they are not fluent in English because of this excitement. When we are talking with others, we become so excited. The reason of this excitement is one, am I telling wrong? And the second one is there any grammatical error? And the third one is we are very much like busy, और मतलब हम उस चीज़ के पीछे दौड़ रहे थे कि जो हम बोलना चाहते हैं जल्दी जल्दी उसको ख़त्म करें और जो सामने वाले हैं वो समझ जाएं. So, because of this hurriness, we are missing our words, our vocabularies, and we are doing mistake. So, this is a very big problem, that excitement. So, the remedy, the solution or the remedy of this problem is just calm down and slowly speak in English. No hurry. The people who is standing opposite side, he or she will wait for you. Don't worry. So no hurry. When you are talking in English or speaking in English, slowly you tell. है ना? क्योंकि आप जब बोल रहे हो तो आराम से. आप जब हिंदी में बोलते हो, क्या आप जल्दी जल्दी बोलते हो कि चलो खाना खाए जल्दी सो जाए? ऐसे तो हम नहीं बोलते. हम तो आराम से धीरे धीरे बोलते हैं. तो अगर आपको इसका प्रूफ चाहिए तो जब आप हिंदी में बात कर रहे हो उसका एक रिकॉर्डिंग कर लो. उसके बाद जब आप इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो तभी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि हिंदी में जब आप बोल रहे हो मतलब दैट इज़ योर कॉम्फर्ट जोन. देयर वॉज नो एक्साइटमेंट, यू आर वेरी काम, कूल, and you are just finishing your topic and nicely with voice modulation and what are the requirements is needed, you are giving everything. But when you are speaking in English, you are conscious about the meaning, grammatical error, and the overall excitement. First we need to complete our speech whatever we wanted to say. So that is a very big problem. I think this is for me, this is my problem. Friends, if you think do you have the same problem or if you want to correction me, please comment me. Okay, keep practicing.